Searching for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Jonah area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Taylor's Jonah area, you have been in an accident. Being associated with a car or truck mishap is constantly an unpleasant experience. Besides the legal and medical hassles that you need to get into, there is another element that requires to be looked after, i.e. car or truck collision repair work. When your vehicle is associated with the mishap, you need to ensure that all the damage to the car or truck is fixed at the most affordable possible expense. To achieve this goal, you require to discover a reliable service center that has a skilled group of collision experts, who can bring your harmed vehicle back to its initial shape. Watch this auto body shop video in Jonah. Contact each collision service center in the list your insurance company gave you. Choose the store which you believe is most convenient to go to. Choose by comparing the distance of each store from your location and assessing the store's expertise, as there are service centers specializing on just limited types or brand names of cars and trucks. Auto body quote in Taylor's Jonah. The estimate given to you must be authorized by the insurance company. Otherwise, you may need to pay the repair work expenses. Look for a collision service center that is recommended, that are expert and are insured to give you worth for your cash. Auto body insurance recommendations. If your car or truck is guaranteed for any kind of damage, repairable or non-repairable, the business requires to take responsibility for all expenses. For that reason, the collision repair work suppliers usually access the insurance coverage companies and provide the quote for an estimate. This is then worked out and agreed upon, considering your protection and policy. Auto body equipment. No matter what kind of repair work services you require, an expert auto body shop can provide you with anything and whatever and deal with all the various makes and designs. While a car or truck garage can constantly assist you with outside issues, they likewise have the expertise to handle collision repair work jobs. Auto body mechanics. Nobody prepares to get into a car or truck mishap. It needs to be a priority to get the car or truck fixed by an expert and trustworthy car or truck mechanic. Make sure that the mechanics who offer mishap repair work and car or truck services can get your vehicle back on the road securely. Auto body near you. A repairer that offers a warranty on its services definitely shows to be more trustworthy and reliable for car or truck collision repair work. When searching for a service center near you, you must ask for any repair work warranties provided by the center, so that if anything fails with the repair work, you can constantly return and get it repaired. Truck body parts. The car or truck repair work business would check the damage and working of vital parts of your vehicle. If any of it needs replacement, the parts and devices are procured or ordered by the business itself. Certain companies give warranties on the changed parts so that you can get the future issues repaired from the supplier without investing cash. Request the best auto body painting. If your vehicle requires a brand new coat of paint due to mishap repair work, you can get it done by specialists who are extremely experienced and bring back the vehicle to the greatest requirements. You require to check the qualifications primarily. You require to get in touch with a dealership who cuts no corners, because you cannot bear any kind of shoddy work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.